Hey everybody, this is bee balm in a jar, and as you can see down in here are the leaves. Here's one of the bee balm flowers. I just had it soaking in some water here so it would, just get the nasties off of it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in some honey, or maybe even I'll make bee balm sugar. So I'm going to dump this out and be right back. All right, now it is all laying out here. And what I'm going to do is just kind of spread it out so it'll dry. We have the fan on, and we'll just leave it out here in the office tonight, let it dry. And then tomorrow I will show you how to put it in sugar. Now I am gonna, just kind of cut this off here a little bit, and then I'll be right back to show you. All right, there it is, guys. I kind of separated it. You'll see there's still a couple stems in here, but once it dries, we'll be able to get all that out. And then I'll upload the video once it's dry and I decide what I'm doing with it. Thanks for watching.